I am witnessing the Rajinikanth madness in Chennai. It is just insane. The level of noise, the adrenaline rush that we have before the movie. Oh my God, it is there. I'm sure you can hear the music. I'm just going to get my ticket now.
The mass hysteria that precedes the Rajinikanth film premiere proves his enduring stardom. I have not escaped it either and have been a fan throughout my life.
After about some 20 years, we are seeing Talaivar's movie on a Pongal day. It's like a big fan festivity here. Whenever Talaivar movie releases, it's like Diwali to us. Whenever it releases, it's like a Pongal to us. Today, it is even more special, Chakra Pongal today, because the Peta is like ruling the box office everywhere.
Me, my whole family, we have a fraternity here, about 80-90 friends who always catch the first day first show. It's fun, it's festival whenever Talaivar film comes in.
Albert is the mecca of Talaivar movies. There are stories that Talaivar generally used to come here and then sit in the box office and see how fans are catching up. So this is like mecca of all the Talaivar fans and Talaivar movies. So we have just come down here. We have the band, we have the crackers, we have the typical Palabhishegam as well as all the Tenga.
What can possibly explain the mania surrounding a man who in real life looks nothing like what he looks in his movies now?
No one can come closer to Talaivar. There is only one superstar. There is only one superhuman being, and that is universal human being. That's only our Talaivar.
He's God. He's our God.
There is nothing which I can say I don't like. Anything and everything of Talaivar is great. It's awesome. Right from the first second when the blue dots come in till the last moment of the show, it is phenomenal.
The stardom is unparalleled, but Rajinikanth has worked hard on building his audience over the years. Tamil cinema is driven by the youth, and audiences who were not even born when he was a superstar in the late 1980s or 90s are big fans of his today. The Rajinikanth phenomena will be talked about long and will stand proof to his enigma. Even though I was born and raised in Chennai, I was never part of a celebration like this before. I have always seen these celebrations from afar, but this time I was in the thick of it. This was epic and a fitting way to leave my home as I moved towards Kanchipuram. Kanchipuram, the city of 1,000 temples. Located on the banks of the Vegavati river, Kanchipuram has been ruled by the Pallavas, Cholas, the Pandyas, and by the Vijayanagara Empire. The city was also a religious center of advanced education for Jainism and Buddhism. The Varadaraja Perumal temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and is one of the Divya Desams. The 108 temples of Vishnu believed to have been visited by the 12 poet saints or Alvars. One of the greatest Hindu scholars of Vaishnava Vishishta Advaita philosophy, Ramanuja, is believed to have resided in this temple. The temple has around 350 inscriptions from various dynasties like Chola, Pandya. Records show that Pallava king Nandivarman started the construction of this temple, which was further added to by other dynasties. In the 14th century, another wall and gopuram was built later by Chola kings. The temple covers an area of 23 acres and shows the architectural skills of ancient Vishwakarma Sthapatis. One of the most famous architectural pieces in the temple is the huge stone chain sculpted in a single stone.
Bharata means boon giver. Whatever you pray, it's been granted. That's why this Varadaraja temple attracts hundreds of people every day. Those who visit Tirupati, those who are nearby. And you can see different cultures. They are all devoted to Varadaraja.
Who came here
Yeah.
and surrendered to your feet, you will give the blessings. So your name is Lord Varadaraja and put
Varam kuduthadunala Varadaraja Perumal.
Varada means giving a blessing.
Giving a boon or a blessing.
Actually, and otherwise, the Mokshapuri. Mukti Darum Nagaredil Mukkiyamam Kachi.
We are walking in this 100-pillar hall.
Yeah.
Is that what it is? Noorukal Mandapam.
Yeah, Noorukal Mandapam.
அது பத்தி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்களேன் எனக்கு.
The Raja Todarmal built by Noorukal Mandapam.
Yeah.
This is a Vivaha Mandapam, marriage hall. The Navaratri times, Brahma created the marriage in Varadaraja and Perendevi. Amavasa is starting the festival and Mahanomi, that the Saraswati Puja is at end. Every day, morning performing the Abhishekam and evening came here and broken some Jula is Unjal.
The 100-pillared hall, which has sculptures depicting Ramayana and Mahabharata, is a masterpiece of Vijayanagara architecture. The pillars are an epitome of hard work and perfection.
Any more legends associated with the temple?
Yeah, actually, here is golden and silver is very famous from here.
Okay.
The inside, that calls Vaya Maligai.
Can I see that?
Yeah,
Can we go? Yeah.
This is both lizard.
Oh, wow.
People from all over India can be seen at this legendary temple. Most of them are eager to touch the golden lizard. Legend says 2 disciples of sage Gautama used to fill puja vessels regularly with water. One day, a lizard fell into the puja vessel which was filled with water. This angered Gautama Rishi and he cursed them to become lizards. Disciples got relieved from the curse when Indra came here as an elephant and prayed to Lord Varadaraja. Disciples attained salvation, but their mortal coil remained here. It is believed that those who pray to Varadaraja and touch these 2 lizards on their way out will be relieved from all chronic diseases.
காஞ்சிபுரம் வரதராஜ பெருமாள் கோயிலில் தான் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? அதோட கோவில் இட்லின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அதை பற்றி கொஞ்சம் எப்படி நீங்கள் பண்ணுவீங்க? ஏன்னா இது வந்து மடப்பள்ளி இல்லையா? இந்த டெம்பிள் கிச்சன் இதோட ஐதீகம் என்ன கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்கள்.
இது ரொம்ப காலமாக பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
ஏன்னா இங்கே பண்ண முடியாது தெரியும். நாட் அலோ. எஸ்.
இங்கே உள்ளே போனோம்னா குடிங்க வச்சுருக்கணும். இந்த வைதிகத்தோடு இருக்கிற கோயில்.
கரெக்ட் கரெக்ட்.
வெளியில் பண்ணுறாங்க. பாபுஜின்னு இருக்கா அப்படி.
ஓகே.
அவர்கிட்ட போனீங்கன்னா பண்ணி காமிப்பார் எப்படின்னு.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.